guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews and this is my husband Colin. He is going to help me out today because we have a new snack box to share with you guys. This one is called TryMySnacks and look how cute this is. They put my picture on there. Isn't that adorbs? So the company did send this to me. I believe that they are a newer company and they have 3 different options. You get a taste profile when you sign up. You go through a little quiz and tell them, do you like chocolate or vanilla or hazelnut?
Mine would literally just say, send me gummy bears.
Mine was like all of the chocolate.
All of the chocolate.
And then each box is based on a different country, I think it is. And so like this one is the Palestine box. So you get this little booklet that tells you things about the country and the snacks that they eat and other little cool things and a recipe as well as all the nutritional information. And normally you would also get a coin from that country, but because of the pandemic, that is not happening right now. But eventually, that will be part of the box. So the 3 different boxes that you can get the mini pack for $16.95 a month, and that one has 5 snacks in it. And then the single pack is $29.95, that one has 10 snacks. And the family pack is $49.95, 96, is that what that says? And has 20 snacks. So when we got this, Colin and I kind of dug in. We were hungry. I'm gonna try this. Colin's trying, what are you trying? Nutty Nuts?
No, NutyMax. The maximum number of nuts.
Oh, it's just chocolate.
These are good.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like there's little pockets of Nutella. These are really good. You can't send me a snack box and not have me open it and eat snacks. Like that's not a thing that's gonna happen.
I mean, it was full of chocolate and some drinks. They also sent us some drinks. Which
I'm excited about the drinks. Some guava drink and some basically alcohol-free malt. You know, it says the word apple, but if you look it up, it is a non-alcoholic malt beverage.
I'm super excited about
and the ingredients, water, malt, barley, and bold for some reason, corn sugar, citric acid, and then it says nature identical apple flavor. So
maybe it's supposed to be like, you know, an alcoholic cider, but like, you know, like the beer,
but malt beverages
like
are
a
not
non-alcoholic
ciders.
beer.
Yeah, let me get the bottle opener for this.
Yeah,
we gotta open the drinks to have something to drink.
Yeah, let's open the drinks. I'm excited about that. I'm so curious about this malt beverage. Oh, okay.
Is it malty and delicious? It's gonna be weird.
Actually,
really?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Right. I'm a little nervous about it here.
It's the malt. You can taste the malt for sure, and it adds a nice balance. It's not overly appley or overly sweet.
Yeah, I mean, to me, it's basically like slightly dulled down apple juice. It's fine. I mean, there's no apples in it. It's just identical apple flavoring. It's fine. I don't think there's anything special. It's refreshing. It seems like a long way to go out of your way to make a non-alcoholic version of something that tastes exactly like apple juice. But hey.
But you can taste the malt. Like it's a malty apple juice. It's carbonated apple juice. We keep saying apple juice, but it's like an apple cider, you know, like a bubbly apple cider. How's that one?
Thick.
Yeah.
It is definitely guava nectar. Yeah, that is a thick, that's almost a fruit slushy thing.
Yeah.
Fruit slushy thing. What are they called?
I don't, like a smoothie?
Yeah. That is almost a smoothie.
It is. It's very thick. I like it though. It's, you know,
one
of those like naked juice kind of things.
Yeah, it might actually last for more than 2 seconds if you gave it to a kid. You know, instead of just like squeezing it to death.
Okay, I don't know what this was.
Oops.
Oh, that was this. What is this? This is NutyMax.
NutyMax.
These were good. And then the Flake, this is just a mess. Like, I don't understand this chocolate thing. It's just flaky chocolate that's messy.
And that's, and we've seen that. We've seen that in England. We've seen that in other places.
Yeah, and I feel like I've had one before. I keep thinking it's something else.
These little Kinder Twix, generally Twix bars are super tasty.
Oh yeah, I had one of those. It was yummy.
Yeah, anything by Kinder, it's very difficult to go wrong with there.
Okay, so let's try some of these other things.
Yeah, let's try something we haven't normally.
Turns out Palestine has a lot of wafer things.
I've noticed that. A lot of chocolate and a lot of wafers. Unless this was a wafer chocolate skewed version of what they have in their stores.
Possibly. You know, I noticed a lot of them are hazelnut flavored, and I do believe I said I like hazelnut. So maybe that's what happened there. I wonder what you would get if you ordered, or if you said that you liked vanilla or chocolate.
Or gummy bears.
Or gummy bears.
People of Palestine, if you actually have gummy bears in your local stores, please let me know. I get the impression that there's only flaky chocolate things. And it makes me a little sad that there's no gummy bears in the store. So
wow, check this out. That is like a thick chocolate center to this wafer cookie.
That is a s'more.
It is, right? I wonder if it tastes like a s'more.
Popcake.
That looks like a...
It smells exactly like
Chocodile.
It's exactly a Chocodile. Someone stole Chocodiles and they recalled them as... recalled is not the right word. And they called them Popcakes.
Okay, I can't wait for you to try this.
Ah! Yeah, Chocodile. Chocodile.
I used to love Chocodiles when I was a kid. That was like my gas station treat.
The terms gas station and treat should never be applied in the same sentence, by the way.
This is very dry. It's like a dry, dense Twinkie.
I think it dried out. I think this might be slightly antiquated.
It needs to be dipped in coffee or something. Except that it would fall apart in your coffee. I don't know.
Yeah. Slightly drier Chocodile.
It's actually not bad. It's just
it's not bad.
It tastes super dry.
How are your...
Okay, all right, I'm gonna try it.
All wafery and all good. Back
Yeah.
to the floor in here.
I like the chocolate to wafer ratio on that one. And the wafer is nice and crunchy. A lot of times wafers get kind of soggy-ish, you know? They're like a little bit crispy, but mostly soggy. That one's all crunchy. What do you think?
What is that flavor in the middle?
Probably hazelnut. Yeah, totally hazelnut.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of hazelnut, but
I'm sorry.
but the wafer's good, and yeah, I like how they have a lot of more. And you get a sticker? What? Well, now you definitely have to buy it.
TryMySnacks.
My favorite ones are the ones with almost no English on them. Because a lot of things.
Wait, are these the same thing?
No,
but like different flavors?
Yeah, well, one's coconut.
Oh,
it has
okay.
a picture of a coconut on the front.
We
That's
have
how
two
you can
different,
tell.
again, with the wafer bars, right?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, well, this is fairly obvious. It's. I remember in college there was some Russian candy. I think I told you about this, where it was like a picture of a crab on the front of it, and that meant that it was crunchy.
Oh.
And then one of them had a picture of a little girl on the front of it, and I'm like, I don't get. And they said, oh, that means it's sweet. And I loved that sort of, that sort of interpretation of what could possibly be inside. But a crab meaning crunchy was one of my favorite things. So we'll just go for coconut equals coconut.
This one's just chocolate.
It's chocolate and wafers.
Chocolate coated wafer. This tastes
wafers.
familiar. Like, chocolate coated wafer cookies.
You want to try some chocolate?
Yes.
Come on in. I'm not getting a lot of coconut. Maybe it was something like someone described how coconut tasted to a computer over a bad internet connection.
You can taste the texture of the coconut, but it's not super coconut flavored.
Would you like some
Maybe.
chocolate?
Yes, please.
From Palestine?
Here, try this.
Ah.
Sorry. Everything is crumbly. I'm gonna have to sweep as soon as we're done.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, do you want to try this juice? It doesn't go well with chocolate, but... What is that? That looks like bird food.
It is a Sesame Croissant Sesame Bar.
Bird food. Bird food?
It says 4 birds up. No, it doesn't say any of that.
Mommy, I don't need
Ingredients,
this.
sesame, sugar, and glucose. Oh, let's try some bird seed.
This is terrible.
You didn't open that one, did you?
Yeah, I opened it.
It's got a picture of a cherry thing. I wouldn't get that if it was fresh. That looks terrifying. It just
That's
says
terrible.
it's a
Ugh,
Dora
what do you think, Jim?
3
Do you like
croissant. What happened to the Dora 1 and 2
Jensen
croissants?
would like this.
The Dora 1 and 2 croissants probably caused hemorrhagic fever or something like that.
Nobody likes the
can I
packaged
see?
croissant.
Here,
this part has jelly in it. I think I ate all the jelly out of this one.
And I should note, I don't like jelly in anything. I was scoffing at the children for getting donuts with jelly in them.
These are little coffee candies. How's your jelly donut? You like it, don't you?
Fine, what's wrong with it? It was perfectly acceptable, slightly crushed croissant.
Oh, here comes Jensen. I think Jensen will like that one.
Come here.
I'm gonna try the coffee candy.
Oh, I think it's fine. Evidently, not only is it crazy hair day, but it's Christmas as well.
No, it's not.
No dabs. All right, this is a croissant.
Okay.
Go for it.
I really like this. Can I eat the rest of this?
Yes, you can have the rest of that.
Good?
Good.
Ha!
I knew he would like that. The crunchy coffee candy's good. I'm probably the only one who's gonna
How
like
many
that.
are there?
There's a couple. You want one?
Yeah.
June likes coffee too.
Jensen, would you like to try some birdseed?
No.
Oh my god! What the?
What do you think?
Yeah, it's sugary sesame seeds. Have whatever you want.
Can you please help me open this?
I got it.
Thanks.
I mean, I've had that type of candy before. It's
Not very good.
However, if you're a bird, I would fucking love that thing. All right, so I think we've tried everything.
Yeah.
What do you think overall? Is the box worth it?
I think it's fun. I like that, you know, they do different countries and you get to learn about the country. And I think I appreciate that they do the different flavor profiles.
Yeah.
I would be curious to get a different one because this one was overwhelmingly hazelnut.
Yeah, I mean, I do like that because especially if you like things like gummy bears and you got 0 gummy bears, you would be upset if you had said you wanted gummy bears. But since you said chocolate, we've tried snack boxes before, and I think, you know, I'll say the same thing about this that I said about them, is the things we look for is a bit of, you know, uniqueness. You know, what separates this from the other snack boxes? Is it just, you know, and separating by country? I think I can't say that we haven't seen before. I'm fairly certain that we've seen either, you know, by country or by, you know, general area. You know, general geographic area, but I like that it's by a specific country. I like that they incorporate a book and eventually will incorporate some, you know, some currency and stuff. I think that kind of anything that you can do to kind of tie you to that country while you're eating it to give you an idea of, you know, what's available there is cool.
I do like that.
And I think we've always looked for, you know, a uniqueness just in the snacks themselves, that this isn't things that you could just get at a Whole Foods market, you know, in LA. And honestly, that's usually the very first thing I look for is I rifle through the box. I'm like, is there anything that I could just go downtown and get, like, for myself? And obviously, we live in LA, so it's a bit different from someone living out in the Midwest, you know, at a Piggly Wiggly. But, you know, we're kind of spoiled here in LA. But no, I mean, very, very little of this would we be able to buy. You know, maybe the Flake bar. And that's about it. Everything else is very unique that we wouldn't be able to see anywhere else. So I think that's the really cool thing about it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I liked it a lot. I think it's well worth it. During the pandemic is like one of the best times to get something like this because not only is it kind of, you know, you can't really go out and do your normal shopping the way you would to go get your normal stuff. Like this is really, you know, you'd never be able to go out and get this even without the pandemic.
Yeah,
so I think
it's kind of fun as, you know, well, I can't go to Palestine, but at least I can eat their candy.
Exactly. Except for their gummy bears. People of Palestine, tell me you have gummy bears. I'm asking you. All right, thank you.
You think Colin likes gummy bears? June just asked for more of these boxes, so.
The big ones, though.
June approves. She likes them. What do you think, Jensen?
You've been
With his
shoving your
mouth
face.
full.
You've been eating the entire.
I really like these snacks.
Just any ones in particular?
Just all of them.
Is there any one that you like the best? Which one was your favorite?
I think my favorite was these 2 bars.
You ate both those bars?
Are those gone? Jensen.
Oh my God. All right, well, we're going to go deal with our kids' stomach aches now.
I recommend putting the box somewhere up high and doling out one treat at a time. Yes, there's one more in there. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you to TryMySnacks for sending this to us. This was a fun box for us to try. I think we all enjoyed it, right?
Yep.
Yep, especially.
Okay, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.